Hey guys, just thought I'd share a quick video on a muffler flange repair kit. I just luckily found one of these. This is cool. I thought of doing this before, but never really found them. But actually found this one. This one's made by these guys. I think that's pretty cool. I've had to do repairs like this because sometimes when your flange breaks here, you have to get a new piece, or there's no way that you could get it around the pipe because it's already on. It's still onto the manifold and stuff. So you don't want to bother taking it off. So you come up with a solution like this. Now, what I've done before was I've taken actual flanges and actually done that, like cut them in half, but actually just cut out this section so that at least it would go over the pipe, and then I'd have this much to be able to hold it, and it worked for me. But I thought this was a cool idea too, and you could actually make these if you have the time and you have the stuff to do it. But yeah, that's a flange repair kit. I'll give you an example. I'm actually working on a car right now, and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about, because the piece I had broken off right there, and then the flange pieces were right here. They were sticking out. I'll show you right here. Yeah, right there. See how it broke off like that? So what I had to do was I had to take out the old bolts, and then with the springs. And so now I get the flange repair kit, and it'll go right over, and I'll bolt it on, and I'll bolt it in place. And they're universal, so that you could well, for most size pipes, but this is like this was the only one size I could find. But yeah, if you could get the flange for yours and cut it in half and make one like this, it'll work too. Yeah, neat idea. So yeah, that's a muffler flange repair kit. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.